always on your phone?
So is everyone else.
Turn that scrolling into a powerhouse career.
With IIDE's PG program in digital marketing and strategy.
Dive into challenge-based lectures, hands-on training, and some killer super sessions with the big shots of the industry. And then put your skills to the test on real-world projects, just like the ones brands deal with.
But what about AI taking over?
We have an arsenal of AI tools for every step of the process. So don't worry, you will be irreplaceable by the end of it.
And the culture you ask for?
Think game nights, agency visits, sports days, cultural days, flea mania festivals, endless events. At IID, we work hard, play harder. But our goal isn't just to teach you digital marketing, it is to make you industry ready.
And just for that, we're adding more than 25,000 case studies from award-winning campaigns for you to learn from.
All in all, it is 11 months full of practical learning for you, all while you experience the IID culture with us. Break the scroll cycle. Start learning. Join IIDE.